Today, I'm going to teach you how to crop a page in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to remove unnecessary margins, focus on specific content, or prepare documents for professional presentations. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main interface where you can access all your PDF files. Look for the Recent Files section, which displays your most recently opened documents. This makes it easy to quickly locate the PDF file you want to crop. Go ahead and select the file from your recent list. After opening your PDF, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here you'll find various editing options available in Adobe Acrobat. Click on the Edit button to access the editing tools. This opens up the editing interface and activates the left panel with additional modification options. Now, in the left panel that has appeared, navigate to Modify Page. This section contains all the tools related to page manipulation, including rotating, deleting, and cropping pages. Once you're in this section, locate and click the Crop Page button. This activates the cropping tool and allows you to define the area you want to keep. With the cropping tool now active, click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle around the area you want to keep on the page. This initial rectangle gives you a basic outline of your crop area. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away, as you'll have the opportunity to fine-tune it in the next step. To adjust your crop area precisely, drag the handles located on the rectangle edges or corners. These handles allow you to resize the crop box with accuracy, ensuring you capture exactly the content you need while removing unwanted margins or sections. Take your time here to get the dimensions just right. Once you're satisfied with the general size and position of your crop box, double-click inside the crop box itself. This action opens the Set Page Boxes dialog, which provides advanced cropping options and precise control over your page dimensions. In the Set Page Boxes dialog, you'll see various settings for fine-tuning your crop. If you need to see all available box options, check the box labeled Show All Boxes. This reveals additional page boundaries that might be helpful for professional formatting. Here, you can also adjust margins numerically if you need exact measurements. Take a moment to review all your settings and make any final adjustments. Once everything looks perfect, click the OK button to apply your crop. Finally, in the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button to preserve your changes. This ensures your cropped PDF is stored with all the modifications you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped your PDF page in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, removing unwanted areas and focusing on the content that matters most. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.